Your Windows 11 PC may be using memory, disk activity, and bandwidth on features you never use. Today, we are turning off 8 of them safely, without registry hacks or third-party software. Let's get your PC's performance back. First, turn off widgets. Open Settings. Select Personalization, then Taskbar. Find Widgets and turn it off. If you never use the News and Weather panel, there is no reason to keep it refreshing in the background. Next, turn off Windows Tips and Suggestions. Open Settings. Select System, then Notifications. Open Additional Settings, and turn off the Windows Welcome Experience, Tips, and Suggestions. This is a small change, but it removes unnecessary prompts and background recommendations. Now stop Windows from sharing update files with other computers. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update, then Advanced Options. Select Delivery Optimization and turn off Allow downloads from other PCs. Windows Update will continue working normally. Your PC simply will not upload or download update files from other computers. Next, reduce Windows search indexing. Open Settings. Select Privacy and Security, then Searching Windows. If the search option is set to Enhanced, change it to Classic. Enhanced indexing searches your entire computer. Classic focuses on common locations and usually creates less disk activity. Do not disable Windows search completely. We are reducing the workload, not breaking search. Now let's deal with Xbox Game Bar. Open Settings. Select Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar. If you do not use it, turn off the option that allows it to open from your controller. You can also open Settings, select Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Xbox Game Bar, open Advanced Options, and set its background permission to Never, if that option is available. Next, turn off background recording. Open Settings. Select Gaming, then Captures. Turn off Record What Happened. This feature keeps background recording available so you can save recent gameplay. If you never use it, turning it off can reduce unnecessary resource usage while gaming. Now open Microsoft Edge. Click the 3 dots, select Settings, then open System and Performance. Turn off Startup Boost. Startup Boost keeps Edge processes ready, so the browser opens faster. The trade-off is additional memory usage when you are not using Edge. Finally, turn off background apps in Edge. In the same menu, disable Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. This prevents Edge from continuing to use memory after you close the browser. Now restart your computer. After signing back in, open Task Manager and check the Processes and Performance tabs. Look for lower disk activity, fewer background processes, and reduced memory usage. The biggest improvements will usually come from reducing search indexing, background recording, delivery optimization, and Edge background activity. If your PC is still slow, the cause may be limited memory, a failing storage drive, overheating, or one process using too many resources. Drop a comment below and let me know which setting you turned off. Make sure you are subscribed for more Zero BS Windows optimizations. And if you want 5 more performance changes, watch my previous video. Make Windows 11 faster in 5 minutes. Change these performance settings. I'll see you over in that video.